Every day, monkeys buy bananas to eat. One banana costs one leaf. Simple, fair. Life is peaceful. One day, banana sellers say bananas are becoming rare. Suddenly, everyone starts paying attention. Soon, banana prices rise from one leaf to two leaves. Monkeys become excited. One smart monkey has an idea. What if I buy bananas now and sell them later for more leaves? Other monkeys see prices rising too. Now everyone wants bananas, not to eat, but to sell later. Bananas jump to 5 leaves, then 10. Nobody cares about eating anymore. Even careful monkeys start buying bananas because they fear missing easy money. Monkeys fill houses with bananas. Some even borrow leaves to buy more. Now bananas are everywhere. But monkeys still believe prices will rise forever. One monkey finally asks, "Wait, why are bananas so expensive if everyone already has them?" A few monkeys start selling bananas quickly. Prices stop rising. Fear spreads fast. Suddenly, nobody wants bananas anymore. Prices crash from 10 leaves back to 1. Some monkeys are left holding huge piles of worthless bananas. This is called a financial bubble. Prices rise because of hype, excitement, and greed, until reality hits. When people buy things only because prices keep rising, the bubble can eventually pop. Even if it's just bananas,